Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to check the oil level via the dipstick on this Mercedes C-Class. This is a C180 petrol, and the first thing that we need to do is get our bonnet open. So to get your bonnet open in this model, you need to go down here by the footwell, driver's side, and if you look up you will find this red lever here. If you pull that, that will open your bonnet. You will just open it a little bit. Once your bonnet pops up a little bit, you put your fingers through there and you find another lever, you press it, and then you lift this up. It just unhooks. Once your bonnet is up, you find your engine, and on the back here on the right hand side is the oil dipstick. So we're going to have a look at that now. Right, we'll take the dipstick out. And what the manual recommends is you take it out and you clean it, and also make sure the car is either cold or is been cooling down for a while if you've been driving it. But ideally do this when the car is cold, and make sure the car is sitting on a flat surface. Now we have our dipstick here. We have a maximum area here and a minimum area here. The manual recommends that when you check the oil, it should be somewhere in the middle. And if it's in the middle, it's at the correct level. That means you should not top up any. If it's in the minimum or below the minimum, depending on the car you have, it could be up to 1 liter here. So it's a good idea to have a look at your manual. Now I'm going to put that in there and we're going to see where we are. Technically we should be somewhere here. I serviced this car not long ago. Right, if you can just see this shiny area here in comparison to this area, you can see this bit here is shiny, and that's where my oil is at, which is quite perfect. It's right at the half where I want it to be, and from here to this side is a bit dry. You can see that. So I'm happy with that level. That's the level that I'm looking for my car. And you can see that oil doesn't look black or dark or anything like that either. It's quite clean, which is expected as well, because the car was only serviced like a couple of months ago and it hasn't really been driven that much. And then you can put your dipstick back, and that's pretty much it really. So doing so will checking your oil regularly, well, maybe once every couple of months or so. It depends how much you drive really. We'll make sure that you're always topped up and it doesn't fall below the minimum, which then avoids causing any issues to your engine, which is the most important. Having said that, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.